Yeah, what I got? I got a special science box. We were looking at it everywhere for 10 minutes.
Well, it didn't take us 10 minutes. It took us a few times.
Yeah.
But we finally found an Elmer's slime kit.
Yeah.
So Elmer's is really hard to find in the UK. We don't really have that here. And we found one. So are you now going to make your own glittery slime?
Yeah.
Yeah? Shall we open it?
Yeah.
This is meant to be the best slime you can find. So you need to open that glue and pour it in. You can pour it, you don't need to do that way.
Yeah, we do.
Okay then. Not too much. Okay, that's enough. Well done. Okay, close it for me. Yeah? So this is meant to be easier than, you know, we were making our own slime all the time, and you love making slime, don't you? So this is meant to be really, really good slime.
Yeah.
So what colour do you want to put in there?
Blue.
Blue, okay, put the blue in there.
But how about the water?
You don't need water for this one. That's the magic of it. Okay, you can't really see it because you've got a blue jug, but when you take it out, we'll see it in a minute, won't we?
Yeah.
Okay, well done.
I need activator.
Activator, yeah. Not too much, but enough. Okay, that's enough. Mix it and see if it's slimy, stretchy. I think this is the best slime so far. Oh, it actually stretches. It's amazing. That is so good. This is the best one, isn't it? Oh wow, oh my god. It's stretchy. Oh, you're making a design.